Hey, what's happening, good people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade the forex market as a beginner forex trader. So today I'm going to give you a step-by-step strategy that you will follow that can make you huge amounts of money on the forex market if you apply it correctly and follow what I will say. So let's hop into the charts and waste no further time. So with this strategy, the main things you got to look at is your time frame. So you gotta make sure that you start your analysis on the weekly time frame. Hence, this is USDCHF on the weekly time frame. As you can see, also the watermark, it has USDCHF 1 week. So on your weekly time frame, what you want to identify is your support and resistance level. So where is my support and resistance level? So this zone right here is my support and resistance. So I'm gonna just make it pink, so because it's a bit dark, that color. Let me like this. So yeah, that's better. And then so that is my support, and then here is my resistance level. My resistance level is at the bottom. So my resistance level is my levels that resist price to my resistance level is the one on the upper hand. So this levels right here, when price touches this level, you see it touches it, goes down, touches it, goes down, touches it, goes down. So that is my resistance level. And then my support level is the levels that support price to go to the upside. So it is the levels that stop price from going to the downside. It forces price to go to the upside. That's my support. So after identifying my support and resistance level on the weekly time frame, you move to the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame. So we go to the daily like that. So on the daily time frame, what you want to do, you want to look at price. Where are we currently? So you saw price come from this support level. It's currently going to the resistance level. So you want to identify support and resistance levels in between the range. So you're gonna go in your daily time frame, you're gonna zoom out a bit. So where is my support and resistance levels on this daily time frame? Here is one. So you're gonna do this. Here's another one there. Let me just use this. So this is one. So I want you to look at how price breaks that level and then retest it. Look at this. It started off here, we bounced off it, we broke it, respected it here, went to the higher time frame one. So let me just make this change this one to identify that it is the lower time frame ones. So the daily time frame ones are blue, né? Like that, and then like that. So yeah, I want you to look at how when price reaches these levels, what does it do? Look here, we rejected once, broke above it, tested it, and then went above, and then we came back, we broke it. After breaking it, we retested it and then went to the downside. Here we came back, we respected it here. Once you see this little pullback here, then we broke above it, pulled back, and then we tested it once more to push to the upside. Looking at this one, look here, we came to it, we broke it, came back to it, price rejected and shot to the downside after touching it. Here we touched it here, and then we respected it, a little retracement, and then broke it, came back to it here. So that is showing how price is respecting these levels. So we're gonna keep these levels on our chart, and then what you want to do, you want to highlight, you're gonna go move to the 4-hour time frame. Now we have our support and resistance price levels. So what are we looking for now? Right now we're gonna look for what we call trend line. So we are approaching the higher time frame resistance level, right? So you gotta identify in what manner. So currently we are approaching that level in a corrective manner, meaning we are creating a trend line while we are approaching that level. So I'm gonna draw my trend line there like that, and then I'm gonna put it there. So I'm just gonna clone it and put it there. So this is my trend line. So what I'm anticipating right now is I want to see price, like as you can see currently it respected that and then went to the upside. So I want to see price continue, go to the upside and touch this trend line. After that, I want to see price drop into this resistance level, which is the daily level. And then after that, after touching this daily, we're gonna stop and see whether are we breaking below or are we respecting it and going back upwards. But with this in this kind of scenario, we want to see price break below and then come back and then shoot down, because we touched the weekly support resistant level. So we want to see price go down strongly. So that is how you implement your support and resistant strategy. So moving on to the hourly time frame, we're gonna see is there any scalping opportunities currently. And then looking there, what you can see is, okay, we have a small trend line that is formed right there. So take this low and then extend it like that. So that is your first trend line. So this right here, you gotta keep in mind what is the high time frame doing. So on the high time frame, we are we are currently going to the weekly resistance level, which is this pink one. Remember what I drew on the high time frame? So that is what we are looking at on the weekly time frame. Sorry, on the weekly time frame. So yeah, we have this little, so this is a sign of when a normal person sees this, they will want to enter a sell once it breaks. They want to enter a sell once it breaks, and then they'll target, let's say, this low. But in this case, they're gonna be wrong. Okay, so let's see what do we have in terms of our support and resistance levels. So at first we have this. So at first, this is the, currently it is support because we broke above it. At first it was the resistance level, but now it is support level, né? And then we have this resistance level right here. As you can see, price is failing to break above it. So what are you gonna do in this current moment? So in this current moment, it is best to wait. You gotta be patient. The market has gotta bring itself to you. So what you can do, you must have buy stop and sell stop orders, or sell limit and buy limit orders. So in this case, as you can see, price is ranging between this support and resistance level on the 1 hour time frame. So what you can do is wait for price to break here. You're gonna wait which side is price gonna break at. If it breaks above here, you're gonna target the trend line, and then your stop loss can be right there, and you can expect something like it breaks above, comes back, and then continue to touch the trend line. Or if price breaks below, then you can expect price to retest the daily support. Remember, this is the daily support. So if price ever breaks this support level, then you want to see price come back to the daily support. So what do we have in here? So this means that if price ever breaks below, we're gonna want to see a sell pressure like this, like this, like this. So this is what you're gonna expect if ever price breaks below this support. So that's it for the video. I'm gonna drop another video explaining on a deeper level. So please click that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified when I drop another insightful video like this. And thank you for viewing.